Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have many websites that you want to access and you want to access them easily, so you want to know how can you easily create shortcuts on your Chrome browser. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and it's very easy and clear, so follow up with me. So first you go ahead and open your Chrome browser from here, and then as you can see I have my Chrome browser right there. So let me just go and choose the other one right here. Anyways, so if you're on another window and you want to know how to create a shortcut and add it here, you just tap on this plus button. So you should be on this page, the main page of your Google Chrome, and then simply tap on add shortcut. It should be right here all the time. So once you tap on add shortcut, you can just name it whatever you want. So I'm gonna name it the best channel, or let me go with realest channel ever. And then here I need to paste the URL of the website that I want to go to. I can just go to facebook.com or something like that, but if I have something that is more specific or a link, so I can just go to that link. Let's say I want to copy the link of this channel. I can just go ahead and choose the link and then right click and then tap on copy. I come back to this operation of my operation. I go right here and I right click and then I paste. Just like that, I have this channel right here as a shortcut, so I can tap on done, and it's going to be right here, and the logo is going to be picked up from the website itself. So as you can see, YouTube. If I do the same and I just name it this, and then I go to facebook.com and then I tap on done, as you can see it's going to be Facebook, and then if I refresh it, it's going to pick up with the Facebook logo from Facebook itself. Anyways, this is how we do it, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.